Bafethu, over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to my Zothu TV. It's an international friendly Bafana 1, Panama 1. I'm joined by Bitoaka.
Tibo.
Yeah, sure.
So when program.
I came not the team.
I'm sharp, man. Yeah, man. Hey, what a fascinating game.
Sure.
But there's so many chances missed.
Yeah.
First half, we missed about 5 chances.
Yeah.
Second half again, missed some chance. But I think because it's a friendly, the coach there's something he's trying to do with the squad.
Yes.
So we cannot blame him as much and blame the game because it's the first game. I think we last played when going Dallas at yeah. So Konomanje at least we are tester, and I think this squad is not his final squad.
Yes.
Kunezinto afuna ukuzibona yabona ya na Tuesday mhlambe uzofaka different players, yeah, mhlawumbe angafaka nama goalkeeper and so forth.
Sure.
So that akhona ukubona ukuthi kahle kahle i-final squad yakhe ukuya World Cup izobe injani yabona yeah. So i-combination play vele you don't have a choice. We testa kanje yabona ngama friendly game. Yes, people can cry ukuthi Panama is not what no, but I mean they are above us. So it shows you ukuthi they do have ball players and one mistake but pounds of a shot goal. So it shows you that they are well away. But what I saw from them, they showed us respect.
Sure.
Because they were parking the pass. Yes. They were all behind Lentuzani Aflania.
Yes.
Mas pity ball and they were looking at us rotating the ball.
Yeah.
But we could not penetrate because what they did, Bebavala is space 8 and 10,
sure,
which is the pockets where we're supposed to play. That's why it changed second half mangena Mufukeng, because the speciality of Mufukeng magadlala 8 and 10 ukwazi ukupenetrate lapha yana pull ama fast there yabona. So at least it's something did try to work, but I think I coach on Tuesday line up yakhe izosibonisa ukuthi what he saw today line up ya Tuesday, because now he's trying to test and see ukuthi ama player wakhe are ready or not
for the World Cup.
So I won't cry too much, man. I just enjoyed the game. And ngibona ukuthi amajita wethu asase fit, asakwazi ukudlala, asakwazi ukuba cohesive, and basase ne brotherhood yabo amajita bona ngokwabo as some soccer players coming from different teams, because it's very important, because manje if amajita bayajela bayakwazi ukubonana, bayakwazi ukuphasana on this field of play, it's very good. Yeah, Ulal Foster, I think he should work on his technique, finishing technique. I'm not gonna criticize him. Just somewhere somehow, I think angaika cool to the final third. Ahlalele ngapha emuva because uyakwazi ukushoot. So manje makasondela kakhulu ibone le keeper enzini khona le bhola leli maliza kudla keep ivele yaphuma yamblock futhi imstudy shile le keep kudala le player leli lidlala so I think nama player wakhe bakwazi kumdriftisanyana so that akwazi ukushoota from far, because makasondela epaleni uyabona le uyambhayizisa ngoba ngathi kunenyawo elembhayizisa ngawazi ukusebenzisa. So manje ma strike kunjalo unyawana ngoba ukwazi ukudlala ngebhukingi
right back
uyayibona lento lena manje abantu baba studisha phela manje abantu sakwa analyst bonke nama play. So obviously mazodlala nawo mele sibone ilentuzana bathini ama weakness wakhe so sebenzisa against you, but he has to use different techniques and improve himself. But I think he just good to rusty kancane. That's why angakhona ngento yazi small udlala nama player at different modala nama player different. It's different when you are playing with the same players ku team yakho, because abantu laba ngithi back understand ngithola although amajita bekadlala before, but ukuzodlala kule game lena it was a little bit rusty. If ubonile nathi final third bese ngakwazi ukuthatha ama chances wethu kahle bonile amabhola wethu wadlule ephambi kwepali kanjani, which befana ngabe siyawafaka or siya assist instead of forced ukora.
Yeah.
He was supposed to pass it to the former to
the open man.
Yeah, to the open man.
Hey.
Because Masiya obviously siyan ama-apply 3.
Sure.
Ngithi sipusha ngo either Moremi then kube uFoster mhlawumbe ngapha kubo apolice.
Sure.
Because then when we square the ball it has to either yaku Foster or Wapolice.
Yes.
That's a given because that's how you born with, that's the game plan.
Yeah.
But other than that, man, I know I'm happy. At least 1-1 I was dlanga and Nicola Laban man I was a very
fine.
Fine. Mistake. Mistake. Yeah, ngazi bathi bayenzani uma bayenza le magic up lezi zathatha ibhola zashapha kathi yabo. Yeah, so but asibone Tuesday kwenzakalani and then we take it from there.
Sharp. Mobana man of the match.
Man of the match wami yazi umuntu odlalile man urayile man umkwena. I think umkwena udlalile amrembule because ilentuzana and kunale goal alimisile. So even the midfielder beka control yamazi umkwena must is very versatile. General ngapha and then we commander nema builder from the back is part of the building back and uyakwazi ukuya phambili. So he's one of those CDMs abakwazi ukuya phambili because ama CDM amaningi makukhuphuka usala la ku half center so that ukhuphuka ama center forward 8 and 10 isikhathi nesiningi so yena uyakwazi ukujump line because he's une speed versatile so I think he's the man of the match.
I think it's we big sure we big